Hi everyone, welcome back to the Grace family. I hope everybody is okay. How are we all doing? Um, I'm just grateful to be alive, and I hope all of us are grateful. And sometimes it's hard for some of us to say I am grateful because some persons, are not experiencing the best of times. However, this too shall pass. No, I'm excited. You may be wondering, wow, um, Georgia has a big smile today and something happening. But I'm just grateful. Um, Over the weekend, I was pretty much perturbed in my spirits. I was feeling low, I was feeling overwhelmed, and I just felt like I felt this uneasiness, like something not right or something is about to go down. No, um, I got the scripture that says, I was reminded of the scripture that says, the darkest hour is just before daylight. And it's so funny that at the time of this recording, to my right side, it's dark, and to the left side, it's bright. You see, God has a sense of humor. But anyway, I was feeling overwhelmed and whatever. Um, some time ago, I had a vision that there was a woman. I did somebody here because I do hair sometimes, and I did somebody here, and the person paid me to do the hair. No, this woman came out of nowhere. This woman was black. She was wearing like a color dress, and she was wearing like um a tie, and the tie was also colored. I couldn't see the woman's face, but the woman, I had the money in my hand, and this woman um wrestled with me to take the money from me, and I held on to the money. I held on to the money, and at the end of it all, she took a part of it, and I was left with, I think, the smallest portion of the money. I told you it was a struggle, like literally, it was a struggle, it was a fight. I literally felt the strength of this woman. And then I got up and I started to pray about it. I'm like, God, what is this? Somebody's fighting against my finances. And, I spoke to God about it, I prayed about it, and I think I left it. But after that, it's like all of my finances just went haywire. Every door was just closing as it relates to my finances. And for some time, it buggered me. And I was just not making any money as I used to. And it's like all these bills are due, and it's like I'm behind and I can't pay them as I used to. I'm like, what is happening here? And I keep being reminded of this vision that I saw. And let me say something to you. Whenever I dream something or I see something in my dream, it's usually like that or as is. I'm not sure if I'm saying it right, but it usually goes along that line. My visions and my dreams, they usually come to pass. And if it don't come to pass straight, it's like 98% right or accurate. Anyway, so something happened yesterday, and it's also connected to my finances. And in the moment when I saw this thing about to happen, I was like, God, I saw this I gotta go, or it is this, or it's gonna go. And I said, in the moment, I said, God, let your will be done. And I kid you not, I was pondering on it for the whole time. And up to this morning, I was just thinking about it. And I remember I stopped to get something to eat. And on my way back to the car, I started to talk to myself and I say, you know what, this is going to be okay. God is going to take care of my bills. And it's like, I don't know where that come from. I said, God, it's going to be all right, you know. It's going to be all right. God going to take care of it. And I left it. But along with my finances, there were some other things that, you know, were bombarding me. And I sat in the vehicle and I heard a song in my spirit. Yet Still I Rise by Yolanda Adams. I have not heard that song in a while. And I started to sing it and it's like a scream. It's like something burst. It's like something burst inside of me. I started to weep, but at some point I felt happy, I felt encouraged, and I started to sing, and I was like, yet still I rise, never to give up, never to give in. And I felt encouraged by that, and I looked for it immediately on YouTube, and I started to play it. I started to play it when I drove off. And while I was playing it, the tears were just running down my face. And I knew it was God, like God just dropped that song in my spirit, yet still I rise. And he said to me, look up the lyrics. Look up the lyrics. And when I looked up the lyrics of the song, I'm going to see if I find it. Oh God, I think over here it's a little bit clear right now. But this view not bad. Just give me a sec, guys. I said look up the lyrics, and I'm pulling up the lyrics that I screenshot on my phone. And the lyrics says, hear what the lyrics says. Shattered, but I'm not broken. Wounded, but time will heal. Heavy the load, the cross I bear. Lonely the road I trod, I dare. Shaken, but here I stand. Weary, still I press on. Long are the nights, the tears I cry. Dark are the days, no sun in the sky. That's the first verse. And of course, the chorus says, yet still I rise, never to give up, never. You can Google it, Yolanda Adams, yet still I rise. And I'm like, this is a message. I'm not going to stay. Remember I said to you, I said before this, that it's going to be okay. I was just encouraging myself, talking to myself. It's going to be okay. Your bills are going to be paid. It's going to be all right. And I tell you, I was so uplifted. And then this evening, I had a long conversation with a person I don't know. But I met this person and I was looking sad, overwhelmed, and I was just crying. Like I couldn't hold back the tears. I tried, and I was just hoping that nobody saw me. But then the person came to me and asked me, and they didn't want to respond to the person. But then, you know, I felt led and I opened, and I was just sharing to the person what, you know, what's happening. It's like everything just seemed like it's tumbling down at one point at the same time. And I'm like, this person listened to me as a total stranger. And I tell you this. Who knows me? You know that I've been through a lot from Jesus as a boy, or from Wapekil Philo, we say in Jamaica. But for all my life, I've been shattered. I've been bruised, just like the lyrics of the song says. You know, and then this song came to me since evening. The scripture, he will restore the years, the caterpillar and the cankerworms that they would have eaten. I think it's in Amos. And I think it's Amos 2:25. You can type it into Google and you will see it. But in other words, the essence of that scripture was just reminding me that I'm being restored. And so I'm going to title this Restoration, because that's what the Lord has said to me. And then Natalie Grant's song came to me. Natalie Grant's song that says Clean. And it says, what was dead now lives again. My heart's beating inside my chest, and I'm coming alive with joy and destiny. You're restoring me piece by piece. And it says, there's nothing too dirty that you can't make worthy. You washed me in mercy. I am clean, washed in the blood of your sacrifice. Your blood flowed red and made me white. My dirty rags are purified. I am clean. A part of the song speaks to restoration. What was dead now lives again. And I'm saying, you see this? You see all that I've been through? And this has been my theme for years. All things are working for my good. In the moment when all things which represent some of the bad things or the seemingly bad things that happened and that are happening, because some of us are going through some stuff, they are all working together for your good, for my good, for our good, to them that are the called according to his purpose. So if you know that you're called, the Lord called you, all things are working together for your good. And so I want to encourage somebody today, because I'm not the only one going through something like this. The other person going through something, but be encouraged. God will restore you. He will redeem the time in your life, and you will be okay. You will be brought alive. Whatever a lot of people would have thrown, said bad things about you, throw you out the door, kick you to the curb. But God says, I'm restoring you. So be encouraged today. You're being restored. And bless up. Remember to subscribe. Share your opinions in the comment section. Turn on your post notification so you will be notified as soon as we upload a video. Be encouraged. Restoration is on the way. Take care.